In front of me is Realme 9 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions on this device. Firstly, go into Settings. After that, select Privacy and click on Permission Manager. Then pick one of your device's features like Location and select one of your apps. In my case, Maps, because it has a lot of options to show. Over here you need to click on one of them. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with allow all the time, so now when I go back, as you can see, Maps just gained access to this device location. But you can always tap on one of your apps and select See all maps permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of them for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!